Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through 3 super easy methods to change your DNS setting on your Windows 11 PC. Whether you want faster browsing or better privacy, these methods will help you get it done in just a few clicks. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So let's start with the easiest method from the Windows setting app. So just simply click on your start menu or press the window icon on your keyboard. Then just simply search for settings. Then open settings. Now inside the settings application, choose network and internet. Now right over here you have to choose your connectivity type. Like for example, if you're using internet through Wi-Fi, choose Wi-Fi, or if you're using internet through a wired connection, choose Ethernet right over here. Now in my case I will be choosing the second option, so click on it. Now once you're inside one of the connectivity types, you will find the option called DNS server assignment. Over here what you have to do is click on edit. Then the edit DNS panel will appear in front of you, and over here in this input panel, make sure first to choose manual. Then you have to turn on IPv4 right over here, and then you can directly copy the DNS server that you can see on the screen, as you can see right over here. You can also try another DNS server if this one doesn't work, and that is 8.8.8.8, and for the bottom part will be 8.8.4.4. These ones are the Google public DNS server, which is known for speed and reliability. Once you are okay with this, you can just simply click on save, and then you are done, and then you have just updated your DNS. So this was the first method. Now in the second method we will be using the control panel. So what you do is just simply hold Windows key and R on your keyboard to get the run prompt, which you can see right over here, and then just simply type control right over here and then click on OK. Now this type of panel should appear in front of you. Now over here just look for a panel called network and internet. Click on that, and inside this you should look for an option called network and sharing center. Click on that. Now over here just simply choose the internet that you are using. Let's say for example you are using the wired connection, so in my case this is my wired connection. So just simply right click on it and then simply choose properties. Now inside the properties panel, just simply look for internet protocol version 4 or IPv4 and just double click on it, and another window will pop up in front of you. And then again just simply click on use the following server address and then enter this address, which you can see right over here, Cloudflare DNS, which is known for speed and privacy. And then once you have entered your DNS, click on OK, then again click on OK, and that should do it. Now in the third method, which is a little advanced, you can use the command line. So what you have to do is just simply open your start menu and type cmd, and then just run this as administrator. Now just simply press yes, and then you should see your command prompt right over here. Just simply copy and paste the server that you can find in the description box below, just like this, and hit enter, and do the same for the next one as well. Now if you're thinking what this command actually is, so the first function, which is this one right over here, is a network configuration tool, and the second function is the internet function. Internet is the name of your network adapter. If you're using Wi-Fi, make sure to replace this with Wi-Fi. Now a bonus tip: to test if your new DNS is working, just simply open your browser and visit some website. You can also use the command prompt to ping it. So we are currently using the command prompt, so we can just simply use this as well. So just simply type ping.google.com, and if you get replies from internet and DNS settings, that means it's working just fine, which you can see right over here. So that's it. Your DNS settings should now be updated successfully, helping you get faster and more reliable internet. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and take care.